to the Harley, man.
$100. You got a lot of Harley shit on over there, dude.
You lying.
You got a lot of Harley shit.
You ain't have nothing. Got one for every day of the week.
Yeah.
HD, bitch.
Oh my God. What up, y'all? Hey, we back at it again, man. I know, we steady working on Black Beauty, we working on Ghosts, we working on Cranberry. But this time, man, we about to do some protection, right? Because I know everybody's, not gonna celebrate us, so I'm just trying to protect my baby. So, hey, Ghosts, we got a little Siren, we gonna put on her. So, there we go, right there.
Yes,
We're gonna put that on Ghost. So right after this, we're gonna show y'all how we do it. So real quick, this is a T27. This is, like I said, it's a 2025 Road Glide. So it used to be just an old Phillips head. So now they went Torx bit.
Changing everything.
Yeah, we're just gonna take this off. And here we go. Y'all know how we do warp speed. The seat, first time ever taking this seat off, y'all. I've never taken this seat off, so we'll see.
You gotta get the.
Oh man,
Yeah.
I forgot.
Yeah, you got old.
Oh, I told you that's the first time I ever took this off.
Yeah, you got.
Damn, so I gotta take all that off.
Yeah.
All right, so you might as well pause. All right, y'all. So as you can see, they took both bags off. Really only need to take one off. I took both off. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pull my main fuse here. Got a 60 amp fuse here. I'm gonna pull that. Got a nice cover here. I'm just gonna pull that out. I'll put that in my pocket. That way. I know where it's at. Yep. All right, so we got some zip ties here. I'm not gonna try to pull all that off. We got a clip here for your ECM. Oh, that didn't. Yeah, yep. There we go. It's got a little clip here. There we go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they done changed up some stuff. I'll tell you that. We got a clip here. Pull that off.
Yep.
It's got two clips here, and this whole module should come out. So here we go. Well, I'm gonna hold these two clips back, and let's see if I can get that out. Boom!
Oh, wow.
Just like that. So don't disconnect all that. Yes, I have a little experience in the automotive industry. Yep. So it looked like we got another T27. We're gonna take that out.
When you're right.
Yeah. Got a T27. Yep, take that little bracket out. Man, I'm telling you, invest in some decent tools. Saves your life. And then this whole bracket comes out. Nice little cover. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna put it back in. Don't. Y'all want it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got a positive, our negative here. So we're gonna go ahead and take this negative off first. You can use a Phillips, or looks like that's probably a 7/16 also. So take those two out. Like I say, make sure you pull your fuse first. Pull your fuse first, because otherwise your alarm's gonna be going. It's gonna be flashing. Yeah. It's gonna be doing all kind of stuff. So just pull that first. Now we have a strap here, right here, and that's just to help you lift this battery up. So when you put your new battery in, make sure you put the strap underneath the battery. You see? Look at that.
Nice.
Yep. It just lifts your battery up. You can get a grip on it and pull your battery out. Set your battery down. Then we have a slot. Come in, set our alarm in. All right, y'all, so we got everything out, we got the battery out. Now we've just been trying to figure out where the connection is, that the male end that goes to here, because they've changed it a lot since Cranberry. So now, after some troubleshooting at YouTube University, the best university besides University of Michigan, I'm just saying.
Oh, I thought you said LSU.
I did not say that.
No, he said Illinois.
LSU, YouTube, whatever. But YouTube University always teaches somebody something. So on the 2025, I was looking to where the plug is. It's right here. So this plug right here, you can pull it up. It's on your left-hand side of the bike. That's what's gonna connect to your Siren right here. So I was looking around fishing, and then I was like, there's the plug right there. So with that being said, I was trying to figure out where am I gonna mount this. So it does have a antenna on it in case you have the wireless transmitter. So you can put that on here. You can route your antenna. Because a lot of people, the dude man was just asking me like, what's that wire for? So you got your Siren, and then what we found out is I'm gonna plug this up back here. I'm gonna plug it in. Make sure it latches all the way in. And then you have this little cubby hole right here. And it actually has a clip right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of fish it in here and lift these wires. And it just kind of sits right up in here. You can see, you got the clip that's holding it in place, and it sits right up in this little cubby hole.
Like it was made for it.
Like it was made to go there.
Right.
Hey, sometimes that's why we do YouTube University, man. We figure it out.
Yes, sir.
You know? Hopefully I save somebody else some gray hairs. Yep. So now we're gonna put the battery back in. All right. Hold that tight, dude.
Yep.
And that just drops back up in there like that. Now we can go ahead and put our bolts back on. All right, so we got it all snugged up. All right, so now before I put all this back together, I'm gonna plug the fuse in and make sure we got a sound. Yep, no, I'm not gonna.
No.
Yeah.
No, your bracket.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna plug everything back together before I go
No, the bracket.
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah, we want to make sure everything works.
I want to make sure everything works first. Yeah.
Hey,
So
I'm learning. I'm learning.
I'm gonna plug everything back up, make sure it works, get some chirp, give me some sound before I put everything back together.
Be angry.
Yeah. All right, so first we're gonna put this harness back on, get a good click there. Now we're gonna put our fuse back in, and then we'll see if we got some sound. All right.
Yep.
Oh,
Yep.
uh-oh. Y'all heard it. Woke up. Oh, yeah. That's what we want right there. So, y'all heard it. So, now we know it's chirping the way it's supposed to. So, that's a good thing. Now, go ahead and just hit the on button. Trigger the chirp. There we go.
Mm-hmm.
And then when I turn it off, we should get 2 chirps.
Now with the remote.
There we go. We back in business, baby. Ghost is matched up with Cranberry now. So what we're gonna do now is we'll clean all this up, put all the harnesses, we'll put the bracket back on, and then we'll put the harness back on, and then we'll be done. Hey, so we out here doing our thing, man. So I want y'all to hear. Hold on, let's see if it worked. Let's see. Oh, y'all heard it. Y'all heard it. Hold on, we're gonna turn it off. See what it do. See, it should give me 2 more beeps. I'm waiting. There she goes.
Hey.
All right, y'all. Hey, that's music to my ears, man.
Yes, sir.
Hey, if y'all haven't already, man, like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Until next time.
Peace.